So let's look at the thing that we need to note for the present continuous. There's just one thing I want to bring your attention to. It's how we contract this tense. We make it shorter, especially in spoken English. So have a look at this. Note that we often contract, which means to make shorter, the subject and the verb. So instead of saying, I am going, we can say, I'm going. For example, I'm going to the shop. Similarly, with he, she, it is going, we can say, he's going, she's going, or it's going to the shop. And with we, you, and they, we can say, we're going, you're going, or they're going to the shop. So we contract the subject and the verb. And here's the negative contractions. So instead of saying, I am not doing, we usually say, I'm not doing. For example, I'm not doing that. He, she, it is not doing becomes he's not or he isn't. So in this case, we can contract either the subject and the verb, he's, or we can contract the verb and not to become isn't. So we can say, he's not doing that, or he isn't doing that. The meaning is the same. Similarly, she's not or she isn't. Or we can say it's not or it isn't doing something. And finally, with we, you, and they are not doing, we can contract them in the same way. We're not or we aren't. You're not or you aren't. They're not or they aren't doing something. That's the main thing that you need to note, the contractions for the present continuous. Go to the practice exercises. You'll see some of these contractions so that you can master them and train your brain to listen and to use them naturally. See you in the next lecture.